So today I got my ears pierced. If you have a close look, you can see them. And this prompted me to make a video about what you should not wear when you're training your parrot, because they are drawn to everything sparkly. They cannot resist it. I'm pretty much convinced. They love to chew on your necklaces and your rings, so don't wear those while you train them. Not just because they'll damage it, because their little beaks are really strong, but also because if they ingest some of the metals, it can be poisonous to them, even fatal, so you don't want to give that to them. And if you do suspect your bird has consumed some metal of some sort, take them to a vet, and the vet will be able to give them an injection and a special, I don't know how to describe it, a tonic, a potion that to go into their stomach that will cleanse them out. Other things you don't want to wear are clothes that have sequins or glitter or rhinestones on them, because again, the bird will just chew those straight off. And probably chew them. Glass beads are especially bad. I heard a horror story about this woman who was doing crafts, and she unknowingly left a whole lot of little glass beads in her carpet, but she couldn't see. And she let her little parrot play around on the ground, and the little parrot thought that the beads were actually seeds and tried to crack them open and eat them. And it did so, and it died. And upon autopsy, they discovered that the beads had actually cracked in the parrot's beak and gone down into its stomach and actually caused internal damage. So you really, really want to avoid glass beads, whatever you do. Sorry it's been so long since I've made a video about parrot training. I've just been so busy. What happened to me? I took a short course over the weekend. Prior to that, I had a really huge sewing project to get done. I was so disappointed. I'd worked really hard to get the deadline, and then the post office didn't actually process it fast enough. It was guaranteed next day delivery. It didn't get there the next day at all, which meant it completely missed the event. I was really frustrated. So the lesson there is probably, don't rely on the mail service, or maybe send things even earlier, or maybe sometimes life just stinks. Yeah. Well, anyway, I hope that you are finding my advice helpful, and I hope that by listening to me, you can avoid some problems you might end up having with your parrot. So, again, if you do suspect your bird has eaten something it shouldn't, like some chocolate or like some avocado, just don't hesitate, just rush it straight to the vet, because seriously, they're just so sensitive, but also they try to conceal what is the matter with them, because in the wild, if they show it, somebody's just going to kill them. So they will try to actually hide it from you when there is something wrong. So if you just even have the faintest suspicion something is wrong, just take them to the vet. Horatio still has not had his wings trimmed yet. I'm planning on taking him to the vet. So once I've done that, which will happen this weekend, I should be able to do a lot more with him, and as a result, I'll be able to show you more training techniques. So stay tuned. Bye!
Speed Power Captain 1T.